How to transfer USDT from Binance to your TonKeeper. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallet by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your TonKeeper, and what you need to do is to simply go for USDT just like so and click on receive button. Copy your wallet address and open up your Binance. So once you are in the Binance, click on wallet on the bottom right and then click on the withdraw button. Then you just need to search for USDT and click on send via crypto network. Once you are in, click on network and make sure to double check that it's selected on Toncoin. Then you just need to paste your address just like so, and then you just need to enter the amount that you want to go with. Always ensure that your network is selected to Toncoin, otherwise your funds will be lost forever. Once you are done, click on the withdraw on the bottom right and you are good to go. And this is going to arrive within the given time, but in this case it is not mentioned here. But you just need to also make sure to go with the minimum withdraw first to see if you receive it in how much time. Then you can go with a larger amount. Hope this helped. This is how you can transfer USDT from Binance to your TonKeeper.